Today we'll continue our exercise 1.4, which is the most important questions we are doing here. This is the question 21. Prove that 3 root 2 is an irrational number. You know the difference between the irrational numbers because we have studied it before. Let us assume 3 root 2 is rational number because we have to prove it. Let its simplest form be in p upon q. In fraction, root 3 root 2 a is equals to a upon b. Because you know in a fraction there is no common factor for this. It means there is no common factor means co-prime number. If it is in the form of pq, so it means that is co-prime number. Here we are doing it here. 3 root 2 is equals to a upon b. So we will transfer this here. Because it is in the multiplication, it will come in the divide here. So root 2 is equals to a upon 3b. Here you can see this is still in the root, so it is a rational number. N is equals to this is in the form of pq. It means this is a rational number, and as you can see this LHS is not equals to RHS. It means it cannot be equal. So our assumption was wrong here because we have done it and tried it into the p upon q form. So our assumption is wrong. 3 under root 2 is not a irrational number. Now this is the question 22. Prove that root 3 minus root 2 is not a rational number. Again it asking us for making it into, tried it into irrational number. Let us assume we have to do this similar question like this also. Let us assume root 3 minus root 2 is a rational number. Let us its simplest form in p upon q will be like this, because as you know p upon q it should be a co-prime number. So root 3 minus root 2 is equals to a upon b. Now we can do the squaring on the both side to solve it further. We have done it here. As you know, a minus b whole square, the formula of is a square minus 2ab plus b square. I have used it here, and this will be also square, this form p upon q, a upon b. So both the squares. Now root 3, root is cutted twice because you know root 3 into root 3 is root 9, but the square root of 9 is 3, so this becomes 3, and similar with 2 also, its root is cutted. Now this 3 and 2 will multiply it here, so it becomes 6. So 3 minus 2 and 6 root 6 plus 2 a square upon b square. Now we can add this two numbers here because both are positive, so this will become plus 5. Now equals to a square upon b square, and now this will be goes on the transferring on the other side, so this becomes negative. Now only 2 is left here. 2 will be on the transfer of this fraction, and this will become minus root 6 a square upon minus root 6 is equals to a square 2b square minus b. Now you can see there is nothing to transfer here and there. Again this is a irrational number. Again this is a irrational number, and this is a rational number. It means LHS is not equals to RHS, which is making you to prove that this number is not a rational number. This you have to write here. Our assumption is wrong, and it cannot be a rational number. Simply like this you have to do the question 23. Prove that 3 plus minus root 5 is an irrational number. Simply doing this will copy it in the other question, will come this process only, and do that question 23 of exercise 1.4. all three questions 21, 22 and 23.